Fall in New York. As the leaves are turning red and coffee shops are advertising their pumpkin latte flavors, New York girls are pulling their boots from their closet and straightening their jackets. This is the time black and camel tone colors are king. Oh, let's not forget the thick wool scarf with boots. I'll be a little extra. I'll be wearing a shawl, of course. There's something about a miniskirt, turtleneck, and a long shawl that just scream fall in substance to a woman. That's my signature look for this fall. I have to admit, I'm not everyone's cup of tea. But what is your favorite fall look?